Hi guys! So now I'm going to teach you how to put a Facebook link on your poster if you were going to be sharing this poster electronically and wanted people to be able to click the link. So on the left-hand side at the top, you're going to see Design, Elements, Text. Select Elements, and then what you're going to want to search is maybe Facebook. Yep, see the first suggested one says Facebook icon. Click graphics because then it's going to bring up all the Facebook icon graphics. And as you can see, some of them have the crown. They're for the paid version only. We all know I'm using the free version, so we're just going to pop the free version one in, put that on my poster. And now that's where I'm going to add my URL. I also am just going to scroll down and see if there's a nice one for Instagram. I see right off the hop. And there's not, but you get what I'm meaning. So closing the sidebar, there's a collapse in the center of that. You can close it. Then it's giving us a little bit more room to work on our page. Clicking on the Facebook icon where you want to put your URL. So if anybody has this poster electronically and clicks that Facebook link, it's going to take you to your Facebook page. So hover on that, make sure the box is highlighted purple, and then you're going to click those three dots that says More. And that's going to bring up another option box of wonderful things to choose from. In this case, you're going to choose the one that says Link. It's got two little chain link fence type things there. Click on that, and it's going to open up a spot in which you can put your Facebook link. That's not my actual Facebook link. I'm just typing something in just for the fun of it. And then you click Done. And now, as you can see, it's got HTTP and then the Facebook, the pretend one I've just written in here. And now if anybody clicks on this on your poster later on, it's going to bring you to that specific Facebook page. So by this I'm meaning once you go at the top right hand side and you hit share, and then you're going to download it, you're going to select PDF standard or PDF ping or whatever, any of these that you want. But for a poster that you're going to be putting, I would assume you're going to have PDF. So select that, and then it's going to show up in your download folder. When you click on that, after it's going to have a clickable Facebook icon there. And you can repeat that with YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, whatever you want. If you don't want to have the Facebook icon, if you just want to have the word Facebook, you can do that as well. Same way, off to the side on the left hand, rather than selecting the second one, Elements, you'll select Text. And instead, you'll add a text box. You'll write the word Facebook, and then the same thing. As you can see, there's three dots on the top of that block. Click that. It opens up the second option here where you're going to select Link. Clicking that, type your Facebook link, and the exact same thing. It's going to link, and anybody who clicks on the word Facebook will automatically be directed to your Facebook page. Or you could do that with Instagram, YouTube, and all of your social medias. All right, I hope that helps, and have a fabulous day. Thanks for watching.